I'm going to add some walnuts. I'm going to add 2 cups of walnuts, a little salt. We're going to process this. Alright, then you add the coconut flakes. These are unsweetened. We're going to do about 2 cups as well. And we combine. I'm going to add a sweetener. You can add dates or a sweetener of your choice. I'm going to use coconut sugar today. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to add, and all I did was add some water to combine it. So I'm going to add this to my molds. Finish this up, and then I'm going to freeze it, and then I'll meet you back with the next step. Then I'm going to melt some chocolate in a double boiler, and I'm going to temper it. Then I'm going to dip my candies into the chocolate and just coat them. If you're feeling a little lazy, just dump them all in and then separate them like this, and then just add them to your freezer and just allow them to solidify, and then you can separate them later. I did a few good ones, and then the rest I did them like this. And then you just freeze them, and then they're done. And there you have it, amazing almond joys.